Amism Zero Work Theory or Death Decay Theory. Part 2. This theory is the greatest of everything so far found. I think I have said about it in my earlier talks. I don't find it complete, that's why writing about it again. People think this won't work out, but why they think so is because they got trained in impressions of partial ruling is meaningful. That means generally people say limitedness, a short time sorting of meaning, is what gives meaning to their life. The entirety of the universe, the vastness of time, radiation energies humans can't get in touch of. Actually, this is what ideologies must focus on. Some things, some action potentials, some ideas that can cross the lifespan of normal humans. This theory says that death and decay makes the work of universes zero. That means whatever actions, polarity changes, potential shifts and matter movements have zero effect comparing the entirety of universe. This theory is the basis of humans living a life of heavenly standards and perfections, where things happen the right way, because of this background realities. Death and decay happens because of energy transfer and transformations. That means a man working for 24 hours, traveling all around Earth does the same as a man sitting on his courtyard. Individual energies are subjectively or relatively in same work, in the same way if the background realities are same. That means energy transfer of former may be higher. That much void will soon get filled from environment. Taking this theory and human lifespan study, lifespan of people in olden days were above 200 years. Why? Because the electromagnetic radiation of Earth got weakened, matter energies aligned in polluted ways. Actually, life itself was built on these superspecial radiations. That means if you want to live for 200 years, the only way is restructuring the environment and polluted energies. Recently I had conversation with one of my friends. He is of the opinion that he is unwilling to accept the fact that he is here in this earth for only 40,000 days or 70 years. Such short durations humans are literally having limited enjoyment work, that too again under different constrictions. Alien theorists about lifespan says that humans actually live for more than 700 or 900 years, but actually some alien population by their intelligent efforts, chemical intelligence, magnetic, ionic intelligence reduced the lifespan of ordinary humans. Because they wanted more energies for survival.